Grace's birthday. Her favorite thing to have for breakfast is pancakes. So this morning we are gonna have pancakes and she's gonna be my helper for today since she loves to bake with me. So I'm gonna start by putting in the dry ingredients. And first I'm going to put in the flour. And I'm going to use, no, just wait, please. Okay, you want to make sure it is really flat.
Yes.
So we need 2 cups of flour. Here you go. Put it in.
Maybe do it.
Okay.
No.
I think we need 2 cups and a half of flour, not 2 cups.
Okay.
Okay, here you go.
Thank you.
Cups and a half of flour. We're gonna wait a minute.
Let me try it.
So we need 2 cups and a half of
Lucas, egg, and make it egg.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Okay. So that's 2 cups and a half of flour, and we need 1 teaspoon. This is 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. So put that in there. And this is sugar. It is 3 tablespoons of sugar, and it's 2 tablespoons of salt. Good job. Okay, so now we have to, that's the dry ingredients, so now we have to stir the dry ingredients.
Okay, Bill.
Okay, I'll do it and then we do it together. Let's do it together. Okay, that will last. Now we can put in our buttermilk. This is buttermilk. I've showed you how to make this in the beginning. It's very easy. And wait a minute. Let's take this spoon out. And now we're going to need
Egg.
No, this is melted butter. It's 1 stick. I'm gonna do this part. So for this part, you just want to fold in the ingredients. This one is slow. You just really like folding it in rather than like doing it really fast, because it will come out more fluffier.
Cake! Yummy!
When you do it more slower than when you do this. So we're just gonna like fold in the ingredients. So now I'm just folding in
Mommy.
the ingredients. What do you need, Grace?
I have Bill.
Now I'm gonna add in the egg white. I separated the yolk from the egg white. We add
Egg.
Wait, gotta do one at a time.
Daddy's sleeping.
She's telling you guys how her dad is asleep.
Cake.
I've got myself full of flour right now.
A fiber.
So now the mixture is ready for cooking. All I have is oil, so if I had more butter, I would use that. But being that all I have is oil, that's what I'm going to use. But it's better to use butter for this recipe. Okay, I'm just going to put in the oils. And I'm using an ice cream scooper because I find that when I use an ice cream scooper, the pancakes come out a perfect size. Well, not that perfect, but they come in uniform size. So I'm gonna let each pancake cook for 2 minutes on each side. So there goes my timer. So I'm going to flip these over. So they're done. They're all cooked on the other side. It is good to keep your stove burner on medium to high heat so that everything doesn't cook, it cooks evenly basically. So you can customize your pancakes. I am going to add some chocolate to mine. This is vegan chocolate. This is not a vegan recipe, but however, I am just going to use this. So our pancakes are all done, and I'm going to serve my daughter. I'm going to put maple syrup on here. She's excited about her pancakes. And now let's see if she likes it. Is it good, Grace? No. It's not good.
Cookie? Ask cookie?
No.
That's pancakes?
It's chocolate.
The chocolate? Mmm.
Alright, so there you go. Now you know how to make pancakes, and this is a meal that you and your toddler or your kid can enjoy making with each other. So I hope you guys enjoyed the recipe, and I hope you guys will try the recipe. The pancakes really taste like buttermilk pancakes, and they taste so good. Like, it is better than the store-bought pancakes. So I hope you guys really try it, and I hope that you have a good day. Bye-bye. Say thank you.
Thank you
For
for
watching.
watching.
Yay.